Thinking about retiring in the Philippines? Before you pack your bags, there are some important things you need to know. The Philippines is beautiful, friendly, and affordable, but it also has unique challenges that many retirees overlook. From healthcare and visas to cost of living and safety, planning ahead is key. In this video, we'll cover must-know travel hacks to help you. Choose the right location, manage finances and healthcare, stay safe and comfortable. Enjoy your retirement without surprises. Whether you're dreaming of beachfront living, city life, or quiet island escapes, this guide will help you retire smart in the Philippines. This is Hack Trip Easy, and let's make your retirement hassle-free. The Special Resident Retirees Visa, SRRV, allows long-term stays in the Philippines. It includes multiple entry privileges, simplifying travel in and out of the country. Financial requirements range from $10,000 to $50,000. The specific amount depends on the applicant's age and pension status. Lower deposits are often available for those receiving regular pensions. This visa is designed for retirees seeking an extended stay in the Philippines. Applying for the SRRV is recommended before moving to the Philippines. This helps avoid potential issues with overstaying visa regulations. The SRRV, or Special Resident Retirees Visa, grants long-term residency. Consult the Philippine Retirement Authority (PRA) website for details. The PRA website provides accurate and up-to-date SRRV information. Ensure all application steps are followed to secure your residency. Keep your passport updated to ensure it remains valid for travel and identification. Always carry copies of important documents such as visas and residency permits. Copies facilitate easy identification and verification in various situations. Proper document management is crucial for smooth travel and residency compliance. The Philippines offers a variety of locations suitable for retirement. Each location presents its own set of unique advantages. Conversely, each location also has its own disadvantages. Key factors to consider include climate and available amenities. The sense of community and social environment are also important. Cebu offers a blend of urban amenities and coastal beauty. This combination makes it attractive to retirees. Retirees often seek a balance of convenience and relaxation. Cebu provides easy access to city facilities. It also boasts beautiful beaches and coastal environments. This makes Cebu a popular retirement destination. Dumaguete offers a tranquil living environment. It is known for its welcoming and friendly expat community. The city also provides access to good medical care. Dumaguete appeals to those seeking a relaxed, supportive atmosphere. Tagaytay and Batangas provide a cooler climate compared to other regions. They are located near Manila, offering easy access to city amenities. The milder temperatures are attractive to retirees. Proximity to Manila balances tranquility with urban convenience. This combination makes them ideal retirement locations. Palawan and Siargao offer island paradise settings for retirement. Living costs may be higher compared to other locations. Remote locations may pose challenges for accessibility. These islands are suitable for adventurous retirees seeking unique experiences. Before committing, visit your top retirement location choices. Spend a few weeks in each location to fully assess suitability. This allows for a realistic experience of day-to-day life. Assess factors before making a long-term commitment. Before settling, verify internet reliability for communication and entertainment. Confirm easy access to hospitals for healthcare needs during retirement. Assess the availability of local amenities for a comfortable lifestyle. Ensuring these factors contributes to a secure and enjoyable retirement. Retiring in the Philippines can be affordable. Careful budgeting is key to a stress-free retirement. Effective financial planning is essential. Align your budget with your desired lifestyle. Consider all living expenses when budgeting. Proper budgeting ensures financial stability. Retiring comfortably in the Philippines requires budgeting for monthly expenses. Average monthly costs range from $1,000 to $2,000 USD. This estimate supports a comfortable retirement lifestyle. The exact cost depends on your chosen location within the Philippines. Personal preferences also significantly impact monthly expenses. Careful planning ensures a financially secure retirement. Rent costs can be significantly lower outside major cities. Explore housing options in smaller towns or provinces. Relocating can substantially reduce monthly housing expenses. Consider the trade-offs between location and affordability. Public markets provide access to fresh produce. These markets often offer produce at inexpensive prices. This makes public markets a cost-effective option. Consumers can save money on their grocery expenses. Affordable produce helps maintain a healthy diet. Public markets support both health and budget. Eating out at local eateries provides an affordable dining option. These eateries are commonly known as carinderias. Carinderias offer a taste of Filipino cuisine. Dining at carinderias is budget-friendly. It allows one to enjoy local dishes without spending much. Carinderias are a popular choice for affordable meals. Track monthly expenses for the first 3 months. This helps understand current spending habits. Adjust lifestyle based on spending analysis. Better financial management can be achieved. Negotiating prices is a common practice in the Philippines. This applies to various services and even rent. Learning to negotiate can lead to lower monthly expenses. Effective negotiation can significantly reduce your cost of living. Practice and research are key to successful negotiations. Be polite and respectful while asserting your desired price. Access to quality healthcare is crucial for retirees' well-being and security. Private hospitals in key cities offer excellent medical services. Cebu is known for its advanced medical facilities and skilled professionals. Manila provides a wide range of specialized healthcare options for retirees. Davao offers modern medical services in a more relaxed environment. These cities ensure retirees have access to necessary medical care. Smaller towns in the Philippines may have limited access to advanced medical care. This is a key factor to consider when selecting a retirement location. Access to healthcare should align with individual medical needs. Evaluate proximity to hospitals and specialized medical services. Consider local expat health insurance plans for medical coverage. Local plans are often more budget-friendly than international options. These plans provide coverage for medical expenses. Evaluate plan benefits to ensure they meet your healthcare needs. Compare costs and coverage to find the best value. Maintain a list of nearby hospitals and clinics for immediate access. This ensures swift action during medical emergencies. Quick access to medical facilities can be life-saving. Being prepared is crucial for handling unexpected health crises. Always carry copies of your prescriptions for easy refills. Copies aid in verification, especially when traveling. This is crucial when visiting different regions or countries. Having copies ensures access to necessary medications. Telemedicine offers a convenient way to address minor health concerns remotely. It provides access to medical advice without in-person clinic visits. Patients can consult healthcare professionals from their preferred location. This is particularly useful for routine checkups or follow-up consultations. Telemedicine enhances healthcare accessibility and convenience for many patients. The Philippines offers diverse transportation to suit various needs. Jeepneys are a popular and iconic mode of transport. Tricycles provide localized transport, especially in smaller towns. Ride-hailing apps like Grab and car rentals offer convenient alternatives. Before driving in the Philippines, learn the local traffic laws. The Philippines uses a left-hand traffic system. Understanding these rules ensures your safety. Compliance with local laws is also essential. Retiring in the Philippines can be affordable, exciting, and fulfilling as long as you plan ahead. Remember, get your visa right, pick the best location, know healthcare, banking, and safety tips. Immerse yourself in local culture, follow these travel hacks, and your retirement will be smooth, fun, and worry-free. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more retirement and travel hacks. Comment below which part of the Philippines would you love to retire in first. This is Hack Trip Easy, making retirement simple and stress-free.